Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find content in media settings on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, as you see here, click on these three lines up here and then go to the settings, and here you will find content in the media. So here you have to manage this, so you can manage it as you like, the content in media settings, and that's it. That's how to manage how to find the content in media section easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.